Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a 2016 Dodge Durango RT. This isn't your average Dodge Durango either. It's beautiful. It's got every option in it. Lane avoidance. This truck actually drives itself on cruise control. This eye up front maintains the distance between you and the vehicle in front of you. Pretty awesome option. I have it on my Chrysler 300 SRT8. It's got the dual wheels, side steps. Dual TVs, moonroof, third row, painted red calipers, contrasting black wheels, custom hood. We also have the original hood. Gives it kind of an SRT8 look. Stunning color combination, red on red. Headlight covers. Red leather. It's great against the red. One owner truck. It's got the original owner's manuals and everything. Beats stereo. Showing 29,477 miles. Buckets in the back. These are also heated. Dual TVs, never been used. Got a 120 volt adapter back there, right in the center. Runs and drives like brand new. Power gate. Exceptional condition. Sorry about the beep. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website, webeautos.com. And hope to hear from you soon. Thanks a lot.